Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
This video is about tango musicality and some pauses that we need to hit.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends.
Let's get to the video.
We'll do an exercise for rhythm. We'll show you. Stop, quick, quick, stop, quick, quick, stop, quick, quick, stop. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Very nice. So this is mostly to work on rhythm. You can use this for Milonga or rhythmic tango.
Yes,
Anyways.
definitely. I will use it a lot during D'Arienzo's song. Very good. So we need to accent the beat very much here. Boom. But if you notice, we are not complete. We didn't transfer body weight completely. This is not the case. Tac. Yes. A lot of people confuse the accent, the boom, with putting body weight. And actually, if we stay tac a little bit back, it's actually better. Then you transfer completely to accent again. Boom. Do you notice that we pull and I personally pull a little extra and lift from the rib cage. If we repeat, 1 feet together, tac. I am using this association at the same time I'm moving front, tac, tac. That allowed me to stay a little bit back without transferring body weight.
From here, we syncopate to go side, to wait, and we syncopate when we go front to the back. So we're making a little triangle figure, and let us show you the moment to wait, very important. So we wait in this position. Now we accelerate and wait here after we fit together, and we accelerate again, ta, ta, ta. So we have, if we count the step, we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Be sure when you do the slow part, when you have to pause and stop, to do it really in place. Be careful, don't go like hesitating or shaking or moving, because then it's not clear and it's hard to get back to the fast part.
Exactly, that is correct. Let us rotate so you can follow us.
So we go again, change body weight, we go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. If you notice also for this move, we go up and down, right?
Yes, definitely. And going down is not sinking. Going down and sinking there are two different things. So we are lowering, but at the same time our torso stays up. We are not doing boom. Now for the leaders, changing, I'm pulling up a little bit diagonal, especially at the end to make her collect stronger. To boom. And then we repeat. Quick, quick, tac. Lower from the lower body, but not from the upper body. Change up together. Quick, quick accent. Quick, quick accent. Quick, quick accent.
Very nice. Try to do it in very close embrace and go very slow at first and accelerate later. Be careful, don't try to do this really, really fast in the first moment.
Just also would like to mention that we have our tango pants, tango dapper, you can see there. We have the full suit and tango pants for you to be at the Milonga. We have tango skirts as well.
This is Splendida, Esplendida. This is a skirt where you can rotate, have a slit on the side, and you can enjoy it very much.
If you go to our website, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango, you will find a huge variety of colors, pants, suits, skirts, and you will love all of them.